am going to show you how to make this crochet rectangle granny square with an eye hook, medium worsted yarn. You can go up or down on your hook size, just depends on how big you would like this. Okay, and the pattern is down below. Subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get started. This is done in multiples of 4, so I'm going to do a sample of 36. So chain as many as you'd like with the multiples of 4. Just yarn over and pull through for your chains. Double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. If this is too fast for you, you can place your video in slow motion. There is a link down below on how to do so. Grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops for a double crochet in the same stitch. This will create the corner. Then chain 2. Then work 3 double crochet in that same stitch. Then chain 2, then work another 3 double crochet in that same stitch. Chain 1 and then skip 3 chains and work 3 double crochet. Chain 1 and then work 3 double crochet after you skip 3 chains. So you're just repeating that along the edge of your chain until you get to the end. At the end, you're going to work 3 double crochet, and then you're going to chain 2 and then work 3 double crochet again. Chain 2 and then work 3 double crochet in that same stitch to create the end corner. Chain 1 and then in the center of the 3 double crochet you're going to work a 3 double crochet. You will work this down the row repeatedly in each center of the 3 double crochet. Now chain 1 and then repeat 3 double crochet in the next center of the previous 3 double crochet. Chain one and repeat or down the row until you get to the end. After you worked your last 3 double crochet, you're going to chain one. It's going to look like this. Then you're going to slip stitch on top of that chain 3. You can fasten off if you like and create another color. So I'm going to yarn over, pull through, fasten off. I can weave in my ends at the end of this project, and I'm going to add on a new color. If you don't add on a new color, then you can stick with the same color if you like. And I'm going to go right up to the corner so I can show you how to do the corner around for the next round. You're going to slip stitch right into that space of the chain one, then work a chain 3, and then work 2 double crochet in that same space. Chain 1, and then you're going to work right into that corner, and you're going to work 3 double crochet, a chain 2, and 3 double crochet to create that corner. Okay, you're going to chain 1 and then create a corner the same exact way. 3 double crochet, chain 2, and then 3 double crochet. Chain 1, and then in the chain 1 space you're going to work 3 double crochet, and then you're going to work that right down that side of the row on each chain 1 space. So then chain 1 and then work 3 double crochet again, and then a chain 1. You will work that all the way until you get to the end of the corner. Now you will work in this corner in that chain 2 space, work your 3 double crochet in your chain 2 and your 3 double crochet. Chain 1 and then work 3 double crochet, a chain 2 and 3 double crochet. Chain 1 and then work along the other side the same exact way. You're going to work 3 double crochet and a chain 1 in each chain 1 space. chain 1 and slip stitch right into the chain 3 space, and you will fasten off, and then you can add another color, and I will show you how to make it wider and bigger each time. Okay, you can fasten off and pull through. Okay, you're going to slip knot and add the new color of your choice for the next round, and I'm going to place it right up to the corner so I can show you how to work that corner and along the edge. So you can chain 3, work 2 double crochet, and then chain 1, and then work 3 double crochet and a chain 2 and 3 double crochet in that same chain 2 space corner. Now you're going to chain 1, and then in this chain space you're going to work 3 double crochet, and this is going to make this wider for this round, and in the previous round you didn't have to do this, but this round you will, and you'll just keep expanding for each round. So now you're going to work 3 double crochet, a chain 2, 3 double crochet to create this corner. Chain 1, and then along the edge in each chain 1 space you're going to do the same exact thing and work 3 double crochet and a chain 1 in each chain 1 space across till you get to the end corner. Now you're going to work 3 double crochet in this corner, then chain 2, and then work 3 double crochet again to create the corner, just the same exact way you did the other corner. Chain 1, and then work a 3 double crochet and chain 1 again, and then work that corner. Okay, so now you're going to chain 1 and then work 3 double crochet in that chain 1 space, and then work that along the edge the same way with 3 double crochet and a chain 1 until you get to the corner. Now you're at the corner and you can slip stitch in the chain 3 to complete this round, and then I'm going to show you one more round of a new color added. You're just going to get bigger and bigger. So you're going to pull through and then add your new color. Okay, slip stitch in with your new color, chain 3 once you're in the chain 1 space, and then work 2 double crochet, and then chain 1, and then work your corner with 3 double crochet, a chain 2, and 3 double crochet. Now you're going to chain one, and then along this edge in each chain one space, as it gets bigger and wider, you're going to work 3 double crochet and a chain one. So once you're going along the edge with your corners in between, for every chain one space that you have, work 3 double crochet and a chain one. Chain one, and then work in the corner 3 double crochet, a chain two, and 3 double crochet. And then the rest will be the same. You'll work your 3 double crochet, chain one in each chain one space along the edge. Okay, so now you'll work your 3 double crochet and chain one in each chain one space until you get to the corner. Slip stitch into the chain three space, and then you can keep getting bigger and bigger if you like. Just make sure you're working your 3 double crochet, chain one in each chain one space next to your corners. This is what it looks like, and I'm going to slip stitch in all of my loose ends. Just weave them in back and forth, and then the rectangle is complete. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.